Hello, my name is Genoveva from Atitlan Herbals, and today I'm going to show you from Treehouse Apothecary how to make a solid shampoo bar. It's super easy to make, it has very little ingredients, and the best thing is that it lasts a long time. So let's go make it. First we're going to weigh our shea butter, then we're going to weigh our coconut oil. We add our coconut oil, we put everything in the double boiler. Once everything is melted and ready, we're going to add our oil. This time I'm using macadamia oil, it's really great for the hair, and I really love it. Next, I'm gonna add my SCI. This is a very mild surfactant. I'm adding it to the mix of melted butters and oils. We add that one, we mix it up together until it forms a smooth paste. Now we're gonna add our neem powder. I mix everything well together so we have a nice smooth paste. And lastly, we add our clay. I'm using white clay. It's really great for the hair and it doesn't dry out your hair. So I'm going to make this smooth paste. After combining everything well, I'm going to add the liquid phase of this formula, which is going to be a nice rosemary hydrosol and some hibiscus infusion, which is all going to be really great for the hair. I mix it all together. The paste starts looking pretty mushy and squishy, but don't worry, that's normal. Just mix everything together, and then you're gonna add your essential oils. I'm adding peppermint and rosemary because I really like how rosemary works in our hair, and some vitamin E, and we're done. Now your shampoo is ready to put in a silicone mold or any other shape mold that you like. And I like to let mine sit until it has a nicer consistency, and then I ship it into a shampoo bowl and it's ready to use. I usually wait maybe a day before I use this shampoo, but normally it should be ready to use right away. This is how my shampoo bar looks like. I formed it after letting it sit for a while. I'm gonna let it sit just for consistency purposes, and this is the end product. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like it, please subscribe, like, and share. You can also leave comments of any questions you have about it. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.